life went on and I met, the love of my life. I'm actually talking about my guitar.
So this is my first activity since I landed in Bangladesh. I am not expecting anything and I don't even know how many people even remember me, to be honest. Yeah, I've been told that I'm gonna meet some dedicated fans from NSU.
Does anyone speak Chinese here? Not a single word?
No. Wo ai ne?
Wow!
He's the winner.
he just won your heart.
Yeah.
Does anyone know what that means?
No.
Does anyone know?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. It's
Yeah.
like
Do you know how to say what I need in Telugu language?
আমি একটু কনফিউজ ছিলাম যে কতজন আসবে আমার মিটআপে। এই কনফিউশন নিয়েই আমি এনইসি ক্যাম্পাস এক্সপ্লোর করতে করতে চলে যাই অডিটোরিয়ামে and এই অডিটোরিয়ামে যাবার পর I was literally shocked because the auditorium was full of people standing there just to see me.
Hello. Wow. I am so nervous. It was back in 2001. You guys were probably 10 years old. I joined NSU hoping to, pursue a career just like everyone else. I probably still have my ID card at home too. Life went on and I met the love of my life. I'm actually talking about my guitar. I'm kidding, yeah. Obviously, I mean, my love of my life is right here, sitting right in front of me. Do you want to say thank you?
Thank you.
And then I dropped out. I dropped out because I joined a band at the time. It was Vibe. I was so into practicing the guitar and making that album Chena Jogot with everyone.
Yeah, Chena Jogot. এটা আমার আজকে মিশন ছিল ও যত কৃতি চেনা শতার মতো আকৃতি সবই আচ্ছা চেনা পৃথিবীর মানালোতে দেখা স্বপ্নের ছাপ খুঁজি নীলিমায় হারিয়ে যাই ব্যর্থতার গ্লানির অট্ট হাসি চেনা জগৎ সকল স্মৃতির পঙ্ক্তিমালায় সবই হয়ে যায় অদেখা সবই আবছা কাঠের ঝাপসা মায়া পরিষ্কার এই উদ্দাম মাতাল চেতনার আপন চিন্তার রহস্যময় আয়নাতে
Supportive, like since you were not in the academic life, I mean you moved on from the academic life and you started playing guitar, so how much your family was into it?
Well, initially my family had problems, but they never told me you need to stop playing your instrument. They always used to encourage me like, okay, I know you love playing your instrument, but please also try to finish your education at the same time. And that was one awesome thing my parents did that helped me actually to find purpose in my life. And we all need that actually.
তোমাকে মনে পড়বে যখনই আকাশ ভেঙে বর্ষাকালে যে যায় যাওয়ার পথে দেয়াল হবার কোনো স্বপ্ন নাই যত
Moments later.
Hi, performance উড়ে যাবে. Please come on time.
Please, আপনারা এখানে মিট করেন না.